Hi everybody, it's Julie. I'm back. Happy Friday. And we are not live today because my voice is still not ready to go and possibly not cough. So today we are making something with index cards. So I grabbed some of the index file cards that I got at the Family Dollar. You guys, they're not part of the $1.25 stuff. So if you have a Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, even if they put them over there, just FYI. I have one of the index cards. This is the bullet journal one from Walmart. And I have some other scrap papers that I'm going to be using. And what I want to make is I have this, I believe it was just a black piece of cardstock, and I am going to make a rolling file, okay, a flip file, okay. So it's going to be able to go like, I can't get it undone. Like this, it'll go around, okay? It's going to be on a brad. So the first thing I wanted to do is I want to go ahead and add a pocket. So I'm going to go ahead and I have this piece of calendar that has some of the blue on it. And I've just kind of done a little pinch measure here so that I know where I want to be. And I'm just going to go on the three sides. And then I'll put it down and I will have a pocket on the inside of the black cardstock. Okay. Now, got glue. Okay. So there's that. And we'll go ahead and cut it off on both sides. Okay, so we've got a nice little pocket, and it's going to be able to hold something in it. Okay, so that is going to be the front. Then I am going to go ahead and I need a Dear Julie Julie digital added on to my items here. And so I'm going to go ahead and use these and make tabs. So this is from the digital that the Patreons received. It's the Sunflower Watercolor Digital, and they received it for September, and it has been so much fun to use this. So I'm going to go ahead, you know what, I'm going to go like this and go like this. Okay, so for this one, I should have folded it first. I didn't. Okay. And I'm just going to put a fun little tab on the tab. Okay. And we'll go with this one. I think we'll do the little one. So I'm dehydrating things from my garden. The squash turned out really good. I used the new mandolin, and I cut it really thin, and it is really, like, they're really good. They actually could be chips, but I want to try making them into powder to make like flour. I want to try that. So I've wanted to try it, and now I'm just gonna do it, I think, if we don't eat all the chips, because they're actually pretty good. And I did not put any seasoning on them, because the last time I did, when I did season the squash, and it was way, I mean, because it shrinks and everything, it was way too much seasoning on it. So okay, so I've given them their Dear Julie Julie digital, and these are the pieces that I am going to put into the brad. Okay, but I want to go ahead and I'm going to just, we haven't used any of the washies in a bit, so go ahead and washi the top of that. Okay, so we've used a piece of calendar, we've used some washi, and there's our index cards. Okay, so they're going to end up on here. Now we're going to go ahead and turn this over, and I want to decorate this front like it is the front of a card or something. Okay, so I'm going to stack these two together. These were in my paper scraps, my sunflower paper scraps. So layering. And then I have the piece of the ruffle. We'll go ahead and add that. That was from my stash. My craft stash. My crafty stash. Okay. Okay, let's see. If I have to, I will find the, I haven't found it yet, the, okay, I'm going to go ahead and staple this onto the ruffle. I should have thought of that beforehand, but I know I don't want to staple it through the pocket, so I'm going to staple it onto the ruffle. And again, another piece that I have that is like a scrap. It was actually the piece that I was, it's a couple of scraps that I turned into a scrap. And I like it. Okay. So it says, love, create, inspire, dream. Okay. Okay, now turn this whole little goodie over. And figure out where the hole is going to go. And it could go, I mean, it can go upside down. Because you're your things can go in either direction. Yeah, kind of like that idea. Okay, so we're going to put the hole over here. Let's line everything up nice, tidy. And I'm going to use that to hold it. Is that the right size? I think I can use either size because I just need the legs to go through. Okay. Okay, so that's going to sit there. And we'll separate it. Put that side down and that side down. Now we can put that down on top of there, but I that might not be a good idea. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Okay, so this makes it so that you are able to go ahead and write on the cards, and you can also use and write on that side. So I think it is a great journaling goodie. You know, we've done the accordion, using the accordion little file, using the index cards, but I think this is kind of fun. And I think we'll put one of these, either that one or that one. I'm going to put that one right there in the center. Okay, so I did use my DearJulieJulie Digital. Did I use a DearJulieJulie Digital on yesterday's? You guys, I didn't. So we need to fix that. Okay, so we'll come back to that. Okay, so I have a sticker. I have Scrap, Brad, Scrap, ribbon. I've used plenty. Washi tape, DearJulieJulie Digital, and there's my index cards. Okay, now this can go, and it can either go, you know, just go in a pocket. I might even see if I have something that it would fit in, like that. That might be smart. Okay. Okay, if it's gonna go like that, then I'm gonna but that is something that you can do. You can do that, like with the verses that we have on Fridays. You guys, Freebie Friday will come back next week. If I have an extra day at the end of the month, I will do something with the Freebie Friday, unless I can, that we had for last week with the bees. But we'll see. You got the freebie. I just got to make something with it, right? Okay, so this can go in here, and they can decide if they want it to go in there or not. But it'll give you a little, oh, it's going to be a little big. Okay? So, gives it a nice little pocket to live in. And it will fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it'll fit in the journal if they want to put it in the journal, and then they'd have this that they can go ahead and journal in. Okay, so a rolling file using index cards, and you have the little pocket also that you can go ahead and put something in there as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will figure out what I'm going to do with this, and I'll show you tomorrow. Okay, find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget the digitals are on sale for 25% off. If you are a Diamond, Emerald, Pearl, or Topaz Patreon, your coupon code is in the Patreon for you to have 45% off any of the digitals in the Dear Julie Etsy shop. So check that out. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. Thank you again for your thoughts and your prayers. Getting a little better every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.